Got him.
No.
Come here, baby. I already have a banana open for him.
Yeah.
Come over here with Uncle Squeaks.
Come
Look.
All right.
Whoa! Look at that!
Look, baby, sit on it. Hang on. Put your feet up here. Here, can you press the
Push the
button?
button. Look. Two hands.
Two hands. Ready?
Just like your mole has a reverse.
I don't think it does.
Just use your hands, babies.
Turn, baby, use your hands.
Turn back.
Looking down at the handlebars. He has no idea where he's driving, nor does he care. Yay!
Use
Let's
your
take
hands.
this baby up the
Right
street.
Oh, God.
Use your hands. Use your hands. Turn. Keep going. Keep going. Let's turn you around because that's not happening. Oh yeah.
What do you think, baby?
Turn your hands. Turn your hands towards where you want to go.
What do you think?
It's fun.
Good boy.